Hello. Welcome to the Introduction to Python. Go a coding workspace. It can be any website or app. I will be using Codecademy today. Firstly, we will create a print statement. In order to create a print statement, you must put quotes. Now, we will create a blank line of code. This will split the two print statements apart. There are actually two ways to print a blank line of code. This is the first way. Now, the second way to create a blank line of code is to put a \n at the end of the print statement. Next, I will show you how to define and print integers, floats, and user input functions. These integers are in orange because they are defined as a number, not a print function, which are in quotes. Example, printing 4/2 without quotes will actually do the math and divide it, which will have an answer of 2. 4/2 is in quotes, which is defined in a print function. It would literally print 4/2 instead of doing the math because the numbers aren't defined as integers. As you can see, I put a hashtag. Hashtag aren't a code, it is a comment. Using comments, I will explain these functions. Floats are any decimals. Int is any whole integer. Lastly, a input is anything the user inputs or a user input function. User is our variable name. In the line of code, it is asking the user for a number between 1 and 6. It has to be an integer. If not, the user will receive the error message. Since user is now defined with whatever the user imputed, in the case, 4. The variable user now has value of 4, and if we now print user, it will print 4. Today, you have learned about print statements, input functions, user inputs, integer functions, float functions, and comments. This is part 1. If you want to get deeper into Python, please go watch part 2, which will be posted very soon. Thanks for watching.